Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Today we have a 2005 S185G skid steer loader. 3,099 hours. One owner trade-in. We've got the vertical lift path arms, gives you a nice tall 118-inch reach to the bucket pins. 1850 rated operating capacity. Hey, we're powered up by a Kubota 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel, transversely mounted, so maintenance is a breeze on this machine. Cool air drawn in through the top, exhausted through the side ports here. Keeps the operator cool and clean air coming in through the machine. We've got 10/16/5 rubber, fair condition. We're going to need tires pretty soon. No welds on the machine, nice and straight. Nice tight Bobcat plate on the front. We've got heated cab, smoke-free. You can see our heat and wiper controls. Shot of our engine hours, 3099 control panel. Our overhead lift window, and we've got the key start. Nice running machine. Also got the auxiliary hydraulics plumbed out. We're ready to work. Hey, give us a call, give Jeff a call on this 2005 S185G. One owner trade-in, serviced, ready to go. Jeff's toll-free, or Jeff's number, 715-781-3940. Again, Jeff, Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.